Hello everybody, hope you're all fine and happy. In this video I'm configuring EC2 instance, which is, we can say that's just an environment for the visualization. You can install application inside, you can install, for example, Windows Server on it, and then you can add some rules and some policies. You can add Active Directory rules on that, and you can make your workspace as part of that, and you can do many things. EC2 stands for elasticity cloud computing, something like. And so let's click and move on. Okay, so just you can click here, launch instance. And from here you can select the operating system you want to install on it, and click start. There are some other My AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Units, and so we'll go with the quick start. I'm using the free tier. Let me see. In the server 2016, so this one is fine. And you can see this is 3 micron. You can see the specification, the CPU, the memory RAM, and all the related details. So let's move on and let's do some configuration. You can just leave by default number of instances. For now, no need to change anything. Let's go to the storage. By default, for the free tier, you can have 30 GB, so if you can make it more, so Amazon is going to charge you more. And in this video, you just move on with the 30 GB, that's enough. So next, you can add tags. You can add some tags here. For example, you can say the name, and the name of this instance should be, let's say, CMT server. Now you can go for the security group. You can leave default security group for certain protocols, for certain ports. You can add some security policies. So for now, it's not mandatory. So let's move on and launch it. Okay, and now you need to create a key. It's CMT. I'm using the name CMT because it's based on a scenario that I'm working a company, and now they're migrating to the cloud. So CMT, let's say CMT key 1, and let's download the key pair. We will need this key pair later, so we'll save it somewhere in the system. Okay. And launch instance. Instance is now launching. The instance, and now it is pending. It will take around, let's say, 20 minutes, something like that. It will be running. So we'll be back. I will be back later. Now our server is ready and it's running. Now let's go find a password in order to connect it. Hit in this password, and now let's go on browse our file. That was in downloads, and this is our key with the extension PM. PM is just a file type, encrypted file type. It stands for, I guess, privacy enhanced mail. That's a very good file type. You can use it to encrypt your files. Okay, now we are decrypting, and these are the details. Just keep them safe. you need them to access our access. So here we can save it. And so this one, that's all. This one we can later suggest. Okay, so we got the password, and now let's say connect. So, okay, so the user is this user server. Where is that? This is our username, and that one is the password. The username is administrator. You're remotely logging to enter the password. And you can say remember my credential and log. And yes. And yeah, here it is. This is our server 2012, and just you can go to server manager, so you can do whatever you want.